Hello students, I am Aarti Sharan. In my last video of chapter 2 of The Adventure of Toto part 3, I had discussed 4 long answer type questions with you. In this video again I am going to deal with few more long answer type questions and character sketch of Toto. Here are the questions. Question number 5 is, grandfather was a great lover of animals. Describe. In this answer, you can write grandfather had a great liking for animals. He had a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, a goat, but no monkey in his house. He often bought many varieties of animals for his zoo. So, with the coming of Toto, his mini zoo was transformed into a real zoo, and he had got variety of animals in that zoo. Due to this habit of grandfather, he had to face the anger of grandmother because she disliked animals. Then question number 6 is, how does Toto take a bath? Where has he learned to do? This answer I have discussed several times with you, that Toto used to take bath in a tub of warm water, and he used to put his legs in the water one by one to judge the temperature of the water, and he used to apply soap as well. Then second part, where has he learned to do? As the monkey are good in aping others, so Toto has learned proper steps of bathing while watching the narrator doing the same, because he had observed the narrator taking bath quite often. And he was so fond of taking bath that once he sat in the boiling water of kettle also and have almost half boiled himself. And the last question is the character sketch of Toto. So, character sketch of Toto, yes. So, in this answer, you can start like this. Toto, a mischievous baby monkey, is one of the main characters of the story The Adventure of Toto, written by Ruskin Bond. Toto was a little red monkey with bright eyes, sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows and his purely white teeth. His smile was so scary to make old ladies afraid, and he had hands that looked dried up. His fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail served him as a third hand. So, whenever he was not able to reach anything, he used his tail to swing. With the help of his tail, he used to swing to the branch, and used to take that thing from the place where that was beyond his reach. So he used to take those things from there also. And Toto received grandfather's sympathy and empathy as he was tied to a feeding trough by the Tonga driver. So grandfather bought him from Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. Then Toto is considered intelligent as he could have escaped from the window by tying the torn pieces of the narrator's blazer into a rope. And Toto is very troublesome and annoying monkey, as he didn't let any of his companions to sleep at night at grandfather's private zoo. And he also troubled Nana, the pet donkey. Then Toto loves bathing in warm water in cold evenings. And during his performance, if anyone laughed at him, his feelings would be hurt and he would refuse to go on bathing. This shows his sensitive and shy behavior. Toto is also very notorious and destructive. It is described in this chapter that he destroyed many things like dishes, clothes, curtains, wallpapers, etc. He was greedy also. That's why he had taken a large dish of pulao and ate every grain. So, we have discussed all sorts of questions. Now, a few more questions you can get from outside, but you will be able to write if you know the story very well. You will be able to write the answers of those questions. Thank you.